How to add a custom status on Discord account. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can simply add a custom status on your Discord account. So first of all, what you're going to do is open up your Play Store if you're using Android device and App Store if you're using an Apple device, and make sure that your Discord application is updated. If it's not, just do it because this new features won't be available on the previous versions of the Discord application. So once it is done, then you're going to open up the Discord application on your mobile phone. It can be done through the PC or the desktop as well, or your MacBook or any laptop you have. So once you get there, this is a kind of a screen that would pop up, and which eventually you're going to the profile. You can always get to the Discord profile by tapping at the right bottom corner where you see a profile picture or your bot image. So once you do that, you just have to tap on it. Once you tap on it, you just have to hold it for a few seconds. Once you do that, a new dialog box with set status appears up, which includes numerous options just like online, idle, do not disturb, invisible. In the last, it says set a custom status. This is what we were looking for, and we just have to tap on it. Once you do that, a new page for custom status opens up, which have several other options as well, for like for how much time, for how much period the status would appear. For example, clear the status in 30 minutes, in 1 hour, in 4 hours, clear tomorrow. So it is all up to you whether you want to delete this or clear this status, or you want to have it for few or some time. So once you write a custom status, for example, I am doing it, I would set it for 4 hours. Once I do that, after 4 hours, the custom status would eventually get deleted or cleared in 4 hours. So this is how you do it. And once I tap on this blue icon, it would automatically be saved. And you, as you see just below my username, how to digital, my custom status has appeared. So this is how you add a custom status on your Discord account. I hope this video was informative and you guys liked it. So don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe the channel, and do hit that bell icon. Lastly, if you guys have any query or question regarding the video, comment down below. I would love to answer. Peace out till next time.